Squad. What's up, film members of Squad? I am here in my room with a vape. My favorite vape. Well, anyway, I saw a video. This guy, he's like, oh, vapes won't make your fire alarm go off. I'm here to prove him wrong. So here we go. So this other video, there's this guy, he had like California Reaper, no, like Kentucky Reaper or some shit, one of the hottest peppers in the world. Anyway, he poured some in his juice and smoked it, and then he had a line, because it was all powdery, you know, and the dumbass fucking snorted the shit. I'm like, there's no way in hell. There's no way in hell I would fucking ever do that. No. You see, supposedly the guy, he drinks, like, when he does his coffee, he does all his stuff, and he puts those peppers in there. Anyway, well, he had coffee flavored juice apparently, and he thought, oh yeah, this might be a good idea. Yeah, I'm not, excuse me, I'm not even gonna attempt that, because, reason behind reasons. Yeah. God damn, it's been a while since I vaped. Yeah, I'm not crazy enough to. I mean, I'm pretty fucking crazy. I have literally played Five Finger Fillet to the song My Ex. My ex is my buddy. He always makes me laugh. Me and my ex got big, it's my own country hair. My ex is my buddy, and when I find him back, me and my ex will give your. One time, I was doing something right here. I was working on something, and this vape in my fire alarm went off. So let's see if it works now.